Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the proper section which is called Apps and Notifications. Then let's tap on Special Access and here tap on Install Unknown Apps. As you can see, right here we've got some apps, the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course you can change it, tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You can always turn it off. Remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher again, and as you can see, it will immediately remove the permissions, so the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.